Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use A/B testing in Brevo so that you can send smarter campaigns and improve your email performance. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can actually get half off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link we've put in the description below. You can also get access to my complete Brevo course, which will walk you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. To use A/B testing in Brevo, first log into your Brevo account. Now, on the Brevo account dashboard, navigate to the left menu and click on the Marketing tab. Once you click it, it will expand and you will see options like campaigns, landing pages, forms, statistics, and templates. To create and test an email campaign, click on the Campaigns option. This will take you to the Campaigns page. Now, if it's your first time here, you'll see 4 different campaign options: email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. Since we're focusing on testing email campaigns, click on email. Now, once you choose email, you'll be taken to the Create a Campaign page. Here you will notice 2 options for your email: regular and A/B test. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the A/B test option, which appears right next to regular. When you open the A/B test screen, you will see that this feature allows you to compare 2 different versions of the same email to find out which one performs better. Brevo divides your audience really into 2 groups, A and B. Each group receives a different version of your email. One gets version A, the other gets version B. Kind of see how this works. After the test runs, the version that performs best automatically gets sent to the remaining recipients. Now, on the same screen, you'll see 2 testing options: subject lines and email content. The first option allows you to test 2 different subject lines to determine which one generates a higher open rate. The second option lets you test 2 different email designs or message formats to find out which one drives more clicks or engagement. Now, just below these options, there is a field called Campaign Name. Enter a name that will really help you easily identify your A/B test later inside your Brevo dashboard. Next, you'll find the Tags field. Tags will help you categorize your campaigns and keep your workspace clean and organized, especially when you're running multiple campaigns. Now, after that, there's an option to Add to Folder. This is useful if you want to group your A/B tests with other related campaigns for easier access. Once all of these fields are complete and your test type is selected, click the Create A/B Campaign button at the bottom right of the page. Now that your A/B campaign has been created, you'll be taken to the Setup page where you'll configure both versions of your email. This setup page is divided into sections: sender, recipients, subject, split rules, design, and additional settings. Let's go through each of them one by one so that you understand everything clearly. At the top of the setup screen, you'll first see this sender section. This shows the email address that will send your campaign. If you need to change it, click Manage Sender to switch to a different verified address. Now, below that, move to the Recipients section. Click on Add Recipients, and a window will appear where you can choose the contact list or segment that will receive this A/B test. Select your desired list and then click on Save. Next is the Subject section. Click on Add Subjects next to it. Since this is an A/B test, you'll need to enter 2 different subject lines, one for version A and one for version B. You can also write a preview text for both. Brevo provides a very handy option here. You can use AI to generate or improve your subject lines. Just click on the Use AI button under each subject line field and let Brevo help you create engaging titles. Once you've entered both subjects, click Save. Now comes the most important part of your A/B test, the Split Rules section. This section will determine how your audience will be divided and how the winning version will be chosen. Click the Add Split Rules button next to Split Rules. You'll now be able to define what percentage of your audience receives version A and what percentage receives version B. You can drag the slider to adjust these values, and as you change the percentages, you'll notice a field on the right side labeled Winning Version Percentage. This shows what portion of your remaining audience will receive the winning version after the test concludes. Below that, you'll see 2 radio button options to determine the winning criteria. You can choose whether the winner should be based on open rate or click rate. By default, Brevo selects open rate, but if your goal is to increase engagement, you can change it to click rate. You'll also find the test duration setting, which decides how long this test should run before winner is chosen. You can specify a duration like 1 hour, 1 day, or several days, depending on your campaign type and contact volume. Once everything is set, click Save. Now, the next decision is design. Click on Start Designing to open the email editor. A new pop-up window will appear with two main options: create your design from scratch or use one of Brevo's pre-built templates. For this tutorial, we'll select the basic templates option and choose the Register for an Event template. Once selected, click the Use Template button to open the editor. Now, listen, once you get inside the editor, you can customize your template with Brevo's drag and drop tools, however you like. The left panel includes blocks for text, images, buttons, logos, videos, and social media links. You can edit or rearrange these elements by clicking on them. Now, although we won't go into full customization here, remember that Brevo's editor makes it very easy to align the design with your branding. Once your email design is complete, click the Save and Quit button at the top right. The last step is additional settings, so click on the Edit Settings button right next to it. Here you can manage personalization, reply to addresses, tracking options, and more. For instance, under personalization, you can enable Personalize the Send To field so that recipients see their name along with their email address. Under tracking, you can activate Google Analytics tracking to measure how your campaign performs. Once you've adjusted these options, click Save. At this point, you should see green check marks beside all sections: sender, recipients, subject, split, rules, design, and additional settings, confirming everything is set up correctly. Now, review your campaign summary one last time. When you're ready to launch your A/B test, click the Schedule button at the top right corner. A panel will appear giving you four options for sending your campaign: Send Now, Schedule for Later, Send at Best Time, and Send in Batches. For this tutorial, we'll go with the Send Now option. Or once you've selected, click Send Now again at the bottom right corner to finalize. After your campaign has been sent, Brevo will automatically track both versions' performance. You can view detailed results, including open rates, click-through rates, and the winning version by opening your campaign report and navigating to the A/B Test Results tab. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create, configure, and send an A/B test campaign in Brevo. This feature really is the most excellent way to understand what kind of content, subject line, or design resonates best with your audience so that you can continuously improve future campaigns. But before you go, don't forget to get 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months, plus access to our complete Brevo course that teaches you everything from setup to automation. You'll find that link down in the description below. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.